Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about positive and normative economics. Positive and normative economics. These are the two another way of approaching to study about economics. In debating on the role of government in the economy, economists distinguish between the positive economics and normative economics. In positive economics, we study different issues and problems arising out of scarcity of resources. Economics is a science. Economics is a science, and as a science, we should know whether it is a positive science or a normative science. Having defined economics as a science, we should know whether it is positive or normative. The credit goes to Professor Lionel Robbins, who developed the controversial issue as to whether economics is a normative or positive science. Before we come to a conclusion whether it is positive or normative, let us know the meaning of positive economics and then later normative economics. The study of what was and what is under the given set of circumstances is called positive economics. In positive economic analysis, we study how the different mechanisms function. Positive economics studies the facts of life. It deals with the things as they are and deals with what are the economic problems and how they are actually solved. Positive economics remains strictly neutral with respect to ultimate ends, and it also avoids value judgment. Example for positive economics statement: there is inequality of income in our country. That clearly this statement says that there is inequality in income. And the next statement, India is a overpopulated country. This also tells it is a populous nation. It is not telling whether it is good or bad. When the price decreases, demand increases. So this is also a statement shows the relationship between price and demand, but it is not recommending whether it should be increasing or decreasing. Thus, these statements are capable of empirical verification, and these statements they do not pass any value judgment. Thus, these statements do not pass any value judgment, and these statements may be true or false also. Then, what is normative economics? A normative economics is one which studies the rightness and wrongness of things. So, normative economics analyze, we try to understand whether these mechanisms are desirable or not. In normative economics, we try to understand whether these are desirable or not, whether it is preferable or not. It describes what should be done and what should not be done, what is good, what is bad for human beings, what law should be implemented. Thus, statements in economics are as follows: normative economics. In India, economic inequality must be removed. So clearly this statement telling inequality is not recommended. Second statement, in India, family planning program must be introduced. So clearly this statement also recommending for family planning to control the increasing population. And the third sentence, the prices of essential commodity must be low. So here it is also a recommendation what should be done. Thus, here normative economics is suggests way and measures to be adopted for economic betterment of the people. Normative economics discusses what are the desirable things and should be realized. It deals with what ought to be or how the economic problem should be solved. And we should keep in mind that normative economics is given by Professor Marshall, which deals with how the world ought to be. After knowing the meaning of positive and normative economics, let us see the differences between positive and normative economics. Positive economics actually studies how the different mechanisms function, that is how capitalist economy works, how centrally planned economy works, all this it's studied under positive economics. Whereas under normative economics, it try to understand whether these mechanisms are desirable or not. What are the problems in capitalist economy and centrally planned economy that studied under positive economics, but what should be measures taken studied under normative economics. In the same way, under positive economics, the statements can be verified with actual data, but in normative economics we can't verify with actual facts because it is giving suggestions. And in positive economics aims to make real description of an economic activity. It describes how the economy works, whereas normative economics, it aims to determine the ideals. It gives norms. It gives what are the ideal measures should be taken by the government or by any company, firm, industry. And positive economics is based upon facts and not suggestive. It studies what are the facts exactly in the economy, maybe an industry or anything. But whereas normative economics, it gives suggestions, it gives opinion, it may be individual opinion. So it is suggestive nature. It may be an individual, like economist, any suggestion like that. Thus, we can find the differences between positive and normative economics. And what conclusion we can draw by knowing these two meaning terminologies means we can come to conclusion that economics is not only a just positive science or normative science. Economics is both. Both are recommended for the study of economics. Thank you, one and all.